In this video, I am going to show you a binary options trading strategy that doesn't require any indicators and is profitable. And I'm going to show you in a step-by-step process how you need to use this strategy exactly. So do watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some knowledge or value to your life, then please do like this video. So without doing any delay, let's get started. First of all, the platform that I am going to use is called Pocket Option. Now, Pocket Option have one special functionality of this tournament, which you can join for every 24 hours for absolutely free in this tournament, and you will have a chance of winning this fund for absolutely free by increasing your fund in tournament. And I'm going to show you a simple strategy, a stressless strategy that can actually help you to increase your fund in this tournament balance. And if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I will give you a step-by-step tutorial link in the description of this video, where you will learn how you can create and verify your Pocket Option account, along with some of other strategy that you can use in Pocket Option to make maximum number of right trade while trading binary options. So now let's get started into our today's strategy of without indicator, trading binary options without indicator. So you need to understand, okay, you need to firstly select a currency pair and then select the M1 minute 1 candle, okay, 1 minute candle. So these all are 1 minute candle, and the trading time frame also M1 minute 1, okay. Once you make this setting, then now you need to use your common sense, okay. We don't use any indicator, but we do use our common sense at here. So look at this chart firstly. So it is going in a green in so beautiful way, okay. There is no any red candle at here. Similarly, in falling time also there are maximum number of red candles, no any green, only here is green, okay. That's okay, but it would be even great if that green candle was also not here, okay. Similarly, here you can see beautifully gone green, again fallen red, green, red, green, red, and here the trend has started to got disturbed, okay. Now you need to find this kind of candlestick pattern, okay, where the market is going in one line like green, 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 or red, 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 red. Now if you find that kind of market, now see, there is some time and mind that you need to use, okay, to find this kind of candle. Don't be lazy while trading binary options, otherwise you will keep on making loss for lifelong. But if you find this kind of chart pattern in by searching for in many currency pair, I'm sure you'll find some, okay, and you make the right investment at that time when you find. So as you can see, here is also a little bit good amount of red, red, red trend, but here is a green. But if this green had not been here, then I would surely have taken this trade by clicking on lower. So okay, let me click on lower because it went a little bit up, and we'll see what happens in this chart. As you can see right now here, a good indication is showing we have made the trade from here, and it has fallen down up to here. Let's wait for this trade to close, okay, and then we will search for other currency pair. So I'll quickly fast forward this second, that is 38 seconds is remaining, I think. So let me quickly fast forward it and show you the result. Okay, so seems like we have 10 seconds remaining, and we are surely going to make profit, I think, according to the conditioning that I'm seeing right now. 4, 3, 2. Okay guys, please do like this video, okay, and let me explain this strategy in more beautiful way to you. Okay, so now let's search in another currency pair. Let's go to here and see if there is any. So this is not a good trend. Let's see in here. So this is a little bit, okay, green, 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 red, 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 okay. This could be a little bit nice, but it is still a little bit disturbed. So let's see on another. So this is also not so good, but it is also good in terms of green, okay. When the greens are happening, then it is going pretty well. So we can also take a higher trade in this condition also, okay, because the straight green candles are going beautifully up, okay, and it will have a maximum chance of going up, okay. But for now, let's see on another currency pair. This is also not fine. This is also not fine. Not fine. Okay, I'll quickly search for a currency pair, okay, and I'll show you exactly. Okay, so I have quickly found it, okay. Here you can see green, 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 red, 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 green, 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 red, 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 and in this kind of condition you can easily make a trade by clicking on this lower and expect to make this trade, right. However, this strategy is also like any other. It is not going to work for 100% of the time, but if you use this strategy consciously, then you can make good amount of money by trading binary options without any indicator.